Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is August 26th. We are looking at the S&P 500, the market that never stops. Now I guess we are in the longest bull run in the history. So again, is there anything on the charts that can tell us that it's stopping? Absolutely not. We are above the trending, nice bullish trending Kumo. Price above the Tenkan and the Kijun, both heading up. At this point, there is nothing that tells us that the bulls are willing to give up control. So continue to hold long positions until we see otherwise. Same scenario on the Nasdaq. Nothing there. This might be doing another breakout here. So I would continue to hold long positions, especially in those stocks that the big cap stocks here. Actually, even the Russell, which is Russell 2000, the mid-cap company, has done a bullish breakout. Notice the Chicago has broken out from the congestion area and it has broken this flat formation. Continue to hold. Might be some consolidation, but at this point, you definitely do not want to short this market. Looking at gold, GLD. We are just breaking up above the Kijun, but notice that we are below the Kumo, so we are bearish in nature. At this point, there is a kicker signal right here. We might have some room to run, especially for the Chicago coming up to hit these candles. Remember that the candles are going to provide resistance for the Chicago. So at this point, I wouldn't be heavily investing in the gold. If you just want to play for a small profit, you could go drill down to a hour chart or even a 15-minute chart and play it. But at this point, longer term, we are still below the Kumo and bearish in nature. USO for oil, nothing there. We're just moving sideways. It is above the Kumo now. However, notice that Chicago could bump into resistance, and also look at alternating Kumo bearish and bullish. So really nothing there to play. Somebody asked me on Google. Let's look at those guys. Google again doing a pennant flag formation here. Did fill a gap. So at this point, if they break it up above this trend line, I would be a buyer. It is a trending bullish Kumo, so Google would be bullish. Netflix is interesting. It is below the daily Kumo. At this point, we did come up a nice bullish engulfing signal. We are above the Kijun Tenkan, but notice that the Chicago is going to run into this resistance. So I would definitely, if I want to get into Netflix, wait for it to come back up over the Kumo to buy into it. So let's see. Somebody asked me on Celgene, CLG. Celgene is right now in this congestion zone. Let's look at a wider chart. Here's a weekly chart of Celgene. This zone is whole resistance support. So at this point, we are in that zone. Chicago on the weekly is bumping into these candles. So I would not expect too many things from Celgene here. I would expect some sort of a consolidation, maybe a smooth sideways. Let the Tenkan come above the Kijun here for support, and then finally the Chicago can break out of this. So I would not be wanting to play Celgene at this point yet. For those who want to play the daily chart, you could always buy here with a stop below the Kijun. That's pretty small stop loss there. See if that plays out. That'll be it.